Ang topic natin ngayon ay factoring polynomials using the common monomial factoring. Bago natin pag-usapan yon, mag-review muna tayo tungkol sa greatest common factor. So, greatest common factor refers to the common factor having the greatest numerical factor and with the variables having the least degree. So, kapag number yung pinag-uusapan, ang kailangan natin is the greatest numerical factor. Kapag naman variables, ang kukunin natin is yung may least degree. Ibig sabihin, may pinakamababang exponent. So, try natin dito sa unang example. So, we have 10 and 15. So, ano nga ba yung GCF ng 10 and 15? So, basically, ang paggawa po nun, hinahanap po natin yung factors ng 10. So, ano nga ba yung factors ng 10? We have 1, 2, 5, and 10. And then yung 50 naman, ano yung factors ng 15? 1, 3, 5, and 15. So ngayon, hahanapin natin sa kanila kung ano yung pinakamataas na magkaparehas. So that is 5. So ang GCF natin dito is 5. So next example, 6x raised to 4 and 12x squared. So dun muna tayo sa number. What is the GCF of 6 and 12? So, the GCF of 6 and 12 is? Okay, 6. So, yung 6 at 12 pwedeng i-divide sa 6 nang walang remainder. Now, sa variable, balikan natin yung definition. Kapag variables yung pinag-uusapan, ang kukunin natin is yung may least degree. Pero una, titingnan nyo muna kung magkaparehas ba sila. So, parehas po ba yung variable? So, parehas tayong mayroon ditong x na nakikita. So, kapag pareha sila, ang kukunin daw natin is yung may pinakamababang exponent. So, in that case, ang may pinakamababang exponent is si x squared. So, yun po yung kukunin natin as the GCF. So, ang GCF nila is 6x squared. Now, third example, 4x raised to 4 and 6y raised to 5. So, first, sa number muna, what is the GCF of 4 and 6? Okay, so that is 2. Next, tingnan natin yung variable. Magkaparehas ba yung variable nila? Okay, hindi. Kasi yung isa x, yung isa y. Kapag hindi parehas, hindi na po natin siya lalagyan. So, okay na po yung numerical GCF niya. Okay, so now, since na-review na natin yung GCF, pwede na natin ituloy kung paano nga ba ginagawa ang common monomial factoring. So, sa common monomial factoring, meron tayong dalawang steps. Una, get the greatest common factor of each term. Number 2, get the remaining factor by dividing the polynomial by the GCF. So, para mas maintindihan ninyo, meron tayong example dito. So, tulad kanina, hahanapin muna natin yung GCF nila. So, what is the GCF of 4 and 10? So, the GCF of 4 and 10 is 2. Ngayon, tingnan natin yung variable. Parehas ba silang may variable? Hindi. So, isa lang yung meron. So, therefore, wala na tayong GCF na variable. So, eto na po yung unang factor natin. So, ang kailangan na lang natin is yung second factor. So, ilalagay natin parenthesis. So, dito natin ilalagay yung pangalawang factor. So, paano natin nahanapin yon? We're going to divide. So, yung unang term, 4x squared divided by 2, ang answer ay 2x squared. Next, positive 10 divided by 2 is positive 5. So, yan po yung factors ng 4x squared plus 10. Example number 2. 4x raised to 5 plus 12x raised to 3. So, step 1, find the GCF. What is the GCF of 4 and 12? That is 4. And then, what is the GCF of x raised to 5 and x raised to 3? So, remember, pipiliin yung may pinakamababang exponent. So, sino yung may mababang exponent? Si x raised to 3. So, that is now the first factor. So, maglalagay tayo ng parenthesis para hanapin pa yung isa pang factor niya. So, para mahanap yun, i-divide natin sa first term. So, 4x raised to 5 divided by 4x raised to 3. So, sa number muna. So, 4 divided by 4, so makakancel na yon. X raised to 5 divided by x raised to 3. So, isusubtract natin yung exponent. So, x raised to 5 and x raised to 3. So, ang matitira natin is x raised to 2. Kasi 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay? So, next, second term. 12 divided by 4 is positive 3. X raised to 3 divided by x raised to 3. So, makakancel out na po siya. Mawawala na. So, 3 na lang po yung matitira. So, that is the answer for the example number 2. Example number 3. 4x raised to 5 plus 12y raised to 3. So, ganun pa din. What is the GCF of 4 and 12? So, the GCF is 4. So, tingnan po natin yung variable. Parehas po ba sila? Hindi. So, therefore, wala na tayong variable sa GCF. So, ilalagay na natin is parenthesis. Now, let's divide. 4x raised to 5 divided by 4. Matitira na lang ay x raised to 5. Next, positive 12 divided by 4 is positive 3. May kasama pa siyang y raised to 3. So, isasama pa rin natin siya doon. So, the answer is 4 times the quantity of x raised to 5 plus 3y raised to 3. Next, 9x raised to 5y plus 12x raised to 2y raised to 3. So, ganun pa din yung gagawin. Step 1. What is the GCF? 9 and 12, so the GCF is 3. Now, hanapin natin kung may magkaparehas ba. So, sa example natin, parehas yung x. So, yung mas mababa ay x squared. So, yun ang kukunin natin, x squared. Now, yung y naman, parehas ba yung y? Pareha. So, therefore, pipiliin natin sa kanila yung may pinakamababang exponent which is y. So, y lang po yung ilalagay natin. After that, yun na po yung first factor natin. We will write parenthesis para naman hanapin yung isa pang factor. So, let's divide. First term, 9 divided by 3 is 9. X raised to 5 divided by x raised to 2. Remember, isusubtract yung exponent. So, x. So, 5 minus 2 is x raised to 3. And then yung y, 1 minus 1. So, mawawala na siya. So, 3x raised to 3 lang. Next, second term, 12 divided by 3 is positive 4. X raised to 2 divided by x raised to 2. Mawawala na. And then, y raised to 3 divided by y. So, subtract natin yung exponent. 3 minus 1. Ang matitira ay y raised to 2. So, that is the answer for example number 4. Now, subukan natin kung naintindihan ninyo. Meron ako ditong tatlong polynomial. Try to factor them using the common monomial factoring. You can pause the video while answering. Okay, let's check. So number 1, we have 10x raised to 2 plus 15. So, what is the factor of 10 and 15? That is 5. So, may variable ba silang magkaparehas? So, kung wala na po tayong ilalagay. Susunod na natin yung parenthesis. So, let's divide. First term, 10x squared divided by 5 is 2x squared. Positive 15 divided by 5 is positive 3. So, that is the answer for number 1. Number 2, 14x squared plus 21x. So, what is the GCF of 14 and 21? That is 7. Parehas ba yung variable? Yes, parehas sila may x. Therefore, pipiliin natin yung pinakamababang exponent. So, that is x lang. So, parenthesis. Let's divide. 14x squared divided by 7x. 14 divided by 7 is 2. X squared divided by x is x. Kasi 2 minus 1 is 1. So, next, second term. Positive 21 divided by 7 is positive 3. X divided by x, mawawala na. Okay, so this is now the final answer. Number 3. What is the GCF of 12 and 18? So, the GCF of 12 and 18 is 6. Now, alin yung magkakaparehas? So, we have here x, parehas yung x. So, ang pinakamababa is x squared. So, yun yung kukunin natin, x squared. Now, sa y naman, we have y raised to 4 and y raised to 5. So, yung pinakamababa ay y raised to 4. So, yun yung kukunin natin. Ngayon, meron na tayong GCF. Lalagyan na natin siya ng parenthesis. So, let's divide. First term muna. 12 divided by 6 is 2. X squared divided by x squared is, maka-cancel out na siya. Y raised to 4 divided by y raised to 4 is, maka-cancel na din siya. Next, second term. 18 divided by 6 is positive 3. X raised to 5 divided by x raised to 2 is x raised to 3. Kasi 5 minus 2 is 3. Next sa y. Y raised to 5 divided by y raised to 4. So, susubtract natin ha. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4, ang matitira ay y na lang. So, that is now the factor of number 3.